Yeah, 2384, 10705, 13, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 13, United 2384.
Tower United 2384 is rejected on runway 13.
2384, make the right at Mike, and then right on Bravo for me.
Right on Mike and right on Bravo United 2384.
Ground Unit 2384 is declaring an emergency. The flight attendants in the back are feeling ill. Because of the odor, we will need to go into any available gate at this time.
Yeah, it's you for GRLS 4 for Jet 646.
646, number 2, clear to land 4.
Land number 2 for Jet 646.
Truck 1 and company with Vardy Tower requesting to cross 4 at Delta.
Truck 1 and company, cross 4 at Delta.
Truck 1 and company crossing 4 at Delta.
Sorry, Truck 1. Stop, Truck 1. Stop. Stop, Truck 1. Stop. Jet 646, I see you collide with a vehicle here. Just hold position. I know you can't move. The vehicles are responding to you now.